That was good. Dean actually mentioned to me the price of 6.25 is wrong, which it is, but ignore them. Right, that was... Without me. Next to Mars Big Bang little... I think it's this. Dragon's Tail next, if you've not got a list. Jesus, that let me to say that's got to be the best finale for someone who spent like 100 quid. Whistling Ghost next. It goes very high, this next one, Whistling Ghost. Ring of Fire and Ice next. Star Jigsaw's Demonic Creatures next. I'm thinking to myself, I'm glad I bought all of them. Laser Bombard, a little bit different, 7 rows, 7. Laser Bombard next is Tank Attack. So. If you've not bought them today, wish you had. Get them on tomorrow. Andromeda next, Jorg Fireworks. Okay. Dragon's Head. Amazing. 1.4 non-firemen. What do you reckon? Very good. Copter flashes, isn't it? Just trump down it, smell. You're interested. Something tells me everybody's going to want to box their enemy ambush. Next, mesosphere. So, wow, I like that one. That's my type of firework. Wow, really good. Next, Thunder King Brothers. So, want to compare. I said it once, I'll say it again. For me, that's the most underrated firework. I think it's brilliant. Ambush. I'm interested to see this one. Ambush. From Bright Star. Fingers crossed. Is anyone near where Jason is to ask, are we missing ambush? He's not, no, I'm just saying, we're not doing that one. You might not be able to get it late. think the bright stars are lovely red, isn't it? Right, next one, false sense of... I'm thinking we might be able to have that one. Some part. Okay. That was Street Fighter. Very good. Colossus. Next. I think we'll all agree Bright Star up the game. Nice. Again, they don't sell these rockets, I don't know why. Gold. Woohoo! Nice, eh? Get ready for strobe. Here we go. Here we go. Stunning rocket, that, isn't it? Stunning. Oh, right, and then we've added an extra because we didn't have a finale to our first display. So I think it's 2 Dark Angels and a Power Station 1 up the middle. Well, they're all going straight up. But just a little bit of a finale for this first half. If you managed to like it. I hope you remembered. I've added one. do some diagram. Next up is Rain of Fire. Cheaper. Alright, this next one is 3 Ks. When one finishes, it lights the next one. This is 3 Ks, so I'm not sure how long this is going to last. Oceans 3 by Absolute. Not a minute less, it's very good. Supposed to be 3. Was it £90? Oh, I think that must be the end of it. Treasure chest next then. Nothing like that. I certainly forgot how good treasure chest was. Fantastic. Oh, this is nice. Big silver chrysanthemum. Sure. It's 39 quid today, obviously. It's not normally 39 quid. There's somebody saying that there. Yep, I think we like that one, didn't we? Neon. Oh, the reason we set these up is in the Nurse Cube Connection pack, and this is neon. Neon. Well, that was amazing, wasn't it? Okay, it's all too good. Dr. Jekyll, this is an interesting one for us because these were to replace the 49 shot diamonds and sapphires, really. So we've got Dr. Jekyll tonight. Well, I was saying to myself, study of fucking me, we have too many good fireworks. Oh, brilliant. Very pleased about that one, by the way. Hope next one's as good as that one. Mr. Hyde. so happy about them, by the way. Woohoo! That's a, yeah. Very pleased we've got them coming. Another one from the Q Connection pack named Plasma. Please, man, I'm Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, I tell you. Plasma, this will be another good one. Too many good fireworks, I tell you. Oh, hands up who doesn't want a Cube Connection pack. Wow. Yeah. Amazing. Battle engine. Bright Star. Interesting. Oh, you almost get me to show you the video, my demonstration video, this one. I think we're all a bit surprised at this price tag here. Kraken Eye, Magnum, wicked themselves. Yeah. Wow. I don't think any of us can really slack price tag there. Well, probably my most disappointing. No, one really. Yeah. Exclusive 2. Most handsome man in Pyro's new favourite firework. Well, I think that was, I would say that was a Cat 4 cake and a Cat 3, but 4, oh, good we sit down for next one. 4 5 Yes, get comfy. 1.5 minutes. We'll see. better firing them all straight like that, I think. Next one, obviously, it shows the linked FX. It's just the neon boom out of the linked FX. I don't know what we said. I think it was some damage or something. So anyway, neon boom, you can't buy it, but it's a brother's cake. Mark Brothers crackle, but we don't have to Firework Brothers down there. Right, next one, Wildfire. Connoisseur, yeah, connoisseur rights now. Different. Oh, yeah, I think, yeah, we've got real steel. If this blows up, it's because it wasn't water damaged. I think it was.
Crimson Dynamite.
Oh, it's Crimson Dynamite, yeah. You're right. Not many of these left now. Last few. Yes, it's good, but it's too quick. Reality. Huh? Real steel. And as I said, this could blow up on the ground if it got damp. But we dried it out in the oven. On the gas hob. We didn't dry it out enough, I don't think. Is Jason alive still? I'm sure I didn't see him put his full PP on. Anyway, that was a bit of a real steel. Shame that, really. It's a good one to compare, isn't it? Right, these next ones are absolutely, I think, good surprise here. pretty good ones. Glittering Prize Part A, that loop, there's a Part B to it as well. The next one is Chaos Theory. This is their Hercules copy, kind of thing. This one should have been false sense of security. James, honestly, Hercules is better, being honest. Right, next he's going to do 10 universal attack rockets. I've not got these rockets today, but those good price. If anybody wants any of these, I'll do them £3 each. Cheap rockets. Well, I'll take at least 10. Not bad for £3, though, are they? 44. I think 6 on 4 now. Nope, must have not done one of them. So that was all the universal attack rocket. Next, Flash 4s, of course, they cheat these today. I'm kidding. £6 a rocket, these next ones today. £48 for 8. These are Flash 4s, so these are big rockets for £6 each. £6 each, yeah. £6! Bloody hell. I'm never going to be affording another Rolls Royce, am I, at this rate? Monday, you're going to have to slum it in the phone. Oh. Jason's a goner. Are you alright, Jace? I hope he's alright. Shit. I also did video of that, but too busy watching them. They are a bit, I've got to say, a little bit erratic, them Flash 4s, aren't they? But, £48, though. Does anybody want to see if Jason's alright? Oh, alright. Well, if he's alright, it'll be Glittering Prize Part B next. So again, I think the Glittering Prize Part A and B are almost diamond and 70 shot, sapphire 70 shot replacements. But we're having Dominator. Pure quality. Oh, right, okay. I'm not sure. I think he's doing this. I'm not sure what he's doing next. Is he doing, I don't know if he's doing the Explosion Box 5, which is kind of the finale, or the Rockets. Is that Jason shouting these? Oh.
Help! Someone's shouting.
Did it work? Yes, it did. I think we like that one, didn't we? That's 3, yeah. Yes, that was a very, very powerful finale. Right, so he's going to do 5 of the gold brocades. which is obviously part of the supernovas, and then 5 of the silver straws. So 5 golden brocades next. Should have finished on them though, shouldn't we really? Them boxes. They were good. Well, I'll tell you what, they were bloody good enough, weren't they? Let's not even worry about strobes. Christ, if strobes are even better than them. Wow, there we go. Yep. There we go. I think them rockets are fantastic, aren't they? I think them cakes were fantastic. Thank you very much. Thanks for everybody contributing. I better get barbecue on now for steak sandwiches. I hope you're all hungry.